helped with the neighborhood place and its deep, rich history in our city as well. So I want to say thank you to all of you all for being full of big hearts to help people here in our community. That's one of the reasons why we're put on the face of the earth, in my opinion. And neighborhood places have been a real model for a lot of the country when cities are trying to figure out how to have a one-stop center where families can go to when they need a helping hand in a moment of crisis or ongoing service, to make it easy to get the kind of assistance that people should receive when they're working with government. And the facts are that thousands of Louisville families visit neighborhood places every month so they can have easy access to critical services. And I can tell you, when I visited neighborhood places around the community, one of the things that always strikes me is just the good people that we have working in our neighborhood places, that's caring staff, and just hour after hour, minute after minute, they're just there to help people. And to see that kind of spirit in our city is something that always uplifts me in a tremendous way. Now, this model began more than 20 years ago in our city, and it was really thanks to a group of citizens that had the vision, dedication, and compassion who saw the value of kind of a one-stop shop of bringing everybody together under a collaborative social and community services model. And we all know when we're looking for help, we don't want to have to go here and go there and run all over the city and put all these obstacles in place of people that frankly get in the way of them achieving a solution, and sometimes the next step to the kind of self-sufficiency that everybody looks for. So Neighborhood Place was a breakthrough idea to pull all this together. And so thanks to this founding team that we have, there are now 8 Neighborhood Place locations and 2 satellite sites across the city of Louisville. And each one of these locations allows nearby families to receive services on the spot in real time, conveniently located by their neighborhoods. Now, there's a couple founding members of the Neighborhood Place model here with us today. And if anybody feels like they were part of the founding team, around the founding team, would you all raise your hands here? Don't be shy. Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you. That's got to feel good. I mean, this is legacy kind of work, and for the hundreds of thousands of people, millions probably now, that you all have touched, that's extraordinary. So thank you all for your leadership. We couldn't do this too without the partner agencies that are all part of this, because it's about bringing these agencies together to reshape our community social service system. Our partner agencies include representatives of our state's Department of Community-Based Services, Jefferson County Public Schools, Centerstone, which we formerly knew as 7 County Services, as well as the Louisville Metro's Department of Community Services and Public Health and Wellness. So thank you to all of our partner agencies as well. It's been a great team. And we're certainly representing Louisville Metro government, you all, with your tax dollars. Proud to be amongst the partners in this group. And so I'd like to ask everybody with the Community Services and Public Health and Wellness staff members to raise their hands so we can thank you to Louisville Metro government. Good folks. Thank you all. This is our Community Services Director right here, Eric Friedlander. Eric's a good leader. He's one of those folks that people in the community that work with him or around him come up and proactively tell me what a great human being you are. So that's a real example of a good leader and a good manager. So thank you. Want to also recognize Neighborhood Place Program Manager Cassandra Miller. And then, thank you, Cassandra. Looking good in your pink today. And the administrator at this site, Jessica Fleischer. Thank you so much, Jessica. Good job. Now, we're one of the reasons why we have a lot of folks here today is we're here to honor one very special individual who was one of the founding members of Neighborhood Place, and that was Jane Charmoli. Jane dedicated her life to helping other people, spent her life as a public servant working for Jefferson County Public Schools for 20 years as a teacher, and then serving as president of Jefferson County Teachers Association Board for 2 years. Then she also served the critical role of being the liaison between JCPS and the city of Louisville. So for everybody that knew Jane, they would all say she had the passion for helping people, in particular helping families as well. And she was in a unique location to understand that, being with JCPS and then working with the city as well. And according to Jane, one of her mantras was, there's no cookie cutter in terms of helping people. Everybody has individual needs that when we're doing our job, we meet those individual needs. And each family's unique situation requires a solution, and they should be customized just for them. And people that work in delivering service that are involved with government, it needs to be flexible, and we need to deliver the right service at the right time. So Jane helped shape that expectation that Neighborhood Place would be that type of place to meet families' needs. And the legacy of Jane's generosity will continue to benefit our community for a long time. Jane made a sizable gift to Neighborhood Place in her will. So she not only lived her values, she wanted her values to live on. And this funding has helped greatly with renovating this facility to make it a warm and inviting space for both staff and clients. So we are proud to name our new Neighborhood Place in her memory. I'd like to share it for round of applause. So Phil Sharmoli, Jane's brother, is here with us today. And Phil, before I ask you to say words, we're proud to present this plaque here.